Hi guys. Let's see how to get command prompt to desktop in Windows 10 computer. First right click on the desktop. Then select new and there you can see shortcut and select it. There you have to type the location of the item, so type command exe in here. Then click next. Here you can type a name for this shortcut, so here you can type command prompt or command prompt admin. Then select finish. There you can see the shortcut, so if you open it, open as a normal command prompt. If you want change it to admin, you have to do this. Right click on the shortcut and select properties. There you have to select advanced. In the advanced properties you have to tick the box run as administrator. Then select OK and apply. Thereafter shortcut will open as administrator. That's it. So if you enjoyed the video, please like, share and comment to the video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.